So we just finished setting up for a chain cleaning. We've put cardboard on the ground to protect the grass. Just have some old rigs, few tools, WD-40, chain lube, a toothbrush, and an extremely dirty chain.
Yeah, showed it before. So we're just going to take the two 10mm bolts out.
Take off the chain guard.
I've never seen a chain so dirty in my life, and I've owned quite a few bikes now. Here you just gotta take the front sprocket cover off to get to all the grime and dirt and everything else that hasn't been maintained. After removing the three 8mm bolts, remove the cover, and then you get to see how well maintained the bike was by the previous owner. And this was worse than what the chain looked like. So time to get a bit of elbow grease in and a whole lot of WD-40 to get that caked up gunk and everything else you can find in there off of that bike. After I made sure everything was completely soaked and removed most of the sand and everything else, I just grabbed a trusty old toothbrush and started going to work. The links hasn't been lubed in so long that it's stiff. It's just staying like this.
Or it might have to end up getting a new chain even though it's not rusted.
I might take it off, soak it. There's way too much slack. It's supposed to be 1.2 to 1.8 inch. So that needs adjusted, and that's pretty much it for that.
So the chain isn't black after all.
I never thought it would come out, but after half a bottle of WD-40 we got it all cleaned up. This is the after. You could pretty much eat off of it. Once that's all done, make sure you apply proper lube. I buy the Bel-Ray chain lube. Chain maintenance is very important. Make sure you don't skip on it. Ride safe and enjoy.